Hi everyone, I thought I would talk to you this time about one of my favourite games, which is Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, I've become addicted to it, but the one that I've been playing non-stop is Grand Theft Auto 4 Ivy. And sadly, because we only have it for PlayStation 3, I have to ask my brother if I can use his PS3 because I only have the PS2. So I got my dad got these ones. The third one, Vice City and San Andreas, but I don't really like them that much. This is my favourite one. Yeah, I've been playing it for hours and hours and hours and hours, and then I'll be like, right, I'll stop playing it, and then I'll go in my room and then I'll be like, I want to play again, because it's just, I find it so addictive. Yeah. And what I really like doing, which sounds kind of weird, is I like getting a grenade and throwing it at the people that I'm meant to be killing, and then, but while I do it, I have to sing this song. I catch a grenade, oh yeah. Hold my hand on the blade, oh yeah. I jump in front of a train, oh yeah. Because it's just so funny singing, I'll catch a grenade for ya, and then boom. It's just so funny. I just find it absolutely hilarious. And there was a guy on YouTube, I've forgotten his name. My brother sent me a link to the video where he talks about Grand Theft Auto. That's his name, JesusFreak777. He done a video saying Grand Theft Auto 4 sucks, saying that it promotes sexual things, violence and everything. It's an 18. That certificate on it means that you have to be 18. But my dad actually bought it before I turned 18. I'm 20 now, but I bought it before. He bought it to me before I was 18. But I wasn't into it. I just because my friends had all played it, and everyone at high school was going on and on and on about it. So I was talking to my dad about it, and he bought me the game, and I was just like, this is absolute crap. But I just started playing it recently. I'm 20 now, so I'm a few years older. But all I see this game is a bit of fun. I don't see it as anything like promoting violence or anything. Because, sorry, in real life, when you get killed, you don't come back to life coming out of a hospital. You can't run through a bullet fire and just go, ah, and see a bit of blood on your back. You actually will get injured. And I think if you're playing this game and it encourages you to do bad things and do gangs and things, I think you shouldn't be playing the game because it's a game. That's all it is. A bit of plastic. Well, the disc isn't in here, but yeah, it's just a game. It's not real life. It's not reality. This isn't what it's like in reality. But yeah, I just think it's an awesome game. It's just a bit of fun. Because I wouldn't go out in real life and start shooting people. Guns are illegal. I don't believe in violence, but it's computer graphics. That's all it is, just a bunch of computer graphics. But me and my brother are actually trying to collect all the Grand Theft Auto games, so hopefully I'll get to play them all. But this one has to be my favourite, Grand Theft Auto 4, really. And I've been joking about it a lot and talking about it like it's like real people, but it's just a game, but it's just so addictive and so fun. Yeah, I really like it. I don't wanna